There are a ton of knife sharpeners out on the market right now, but this one has a unique twist to it that I've never seen before. It's got this V notch in the back, and what this is made for is so that it can set on the corner of your countertop or your desk, like in this case right here. What that provides is a really good stable base. So you're going to hold it with one hand against that corner, and then you've got a great stable base. But some of the others that you might see that don't have that V notch, you're flat on the table and your knife's coming across and you're getting ready to hit your counter. This allows you to go past that. It actually has a coarse and a fine side. The fine side is ceramic. So in that way, if you really had a knife that needed a little bit of repair or is very dull, you could use that coarse side, then switch over to the ceramic. Or if you have one that you just needed to do some touch-ups on, you're going to go straight to the ceramics. But this has also got a rubberized bottom, which helps with that grip. Now, Smiths did send this one to me in order to give my opinion and do a review, and I have sharpened a ton of my kitchen knives, my pocket knives, and it will make your knife razor sharp. I find that just that nice secure base that it's given me against there, I know that I'm not going to hit my knife against the countertop or anything. My fingers are securely out of the way, and then I can just finish it up with this ceramic side. So this sharpener from Smiths, it would be perfect to keep in your kitchen drawer, keep in your office drawer, wherever you want. But it's small, it's compact, it's out of the way, and it does a fantastic job in making sure that your knives are sharp and ready when you are. So check it out. These sharpeners are by Smiths.